Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add stickers in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface where all your messaging options are available. Now, in the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on Chats. This section displays all your active conversations and allows you to quickly access any ongoing discussions you have with your contacts. It's the central hub for all your messaging activity within Signal. Next, tap on the contact you want to send stickers to. This will open up your conversation thread with that person, giving you access to all the messaging tools and features available for that chat. The conversation window is where you'll be able to customize your messages with various media options, including the stickers we're about to add. Once your chat is open, look for the plus icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This icon serves as your gateway to additional messaging features beyond just typing text. It unlocks a variety of options that let you enhance your messages with different types of content, making your conversations more expressive and engaging. After tapping the plus icon, you'll see several options appear. Tap on the emoji option that shows up. This opens up a whole new world of expressive content that goes beyond standard text messages. The emoji section isn't just limited to traditional emojis, but also includes access to stickers and GIFs, giving you multiple ways to add personality to your messages. Now here's where you access the stickers. At the center of your screen, you'll notice a sticker logo positioned between the emoji and GIF options. Tap on this sticker logo to enter the sticker selection interface. This is Signal's dedicated sticker library where you can browse through various sticker packs and find the perfect one to express exactly what you want to say. Finally, swipe up to browse through all the available stickers. You'll see a wide range of options organized into different packs and categories. Take your time to explore the different styles and themes until you find one that fits the mood of your conversation. Once you've found your preferred sticker from the list, simply tap on it to send it immediately to your contact. The sticker will appear in your conversation thread just like any other message. And that's it. You've successfully added stickers to your Signal conversation, making your chats more fun and expressive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.